In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a location in QuickBooks Online for tracking transactions by branch or store. If you manage multiple branches, storefronts, or departments, locations in QuickBooks Online make it easy to see how each area is performing. Think of locations as labels you can apply to invoices, expenses, and other transactions so you can run reports by branch and make smarter decisions. Let's walk through the setup together. Start by signing in to your QuickBooks Online company. From any screen, look to the top right of your dashboard and click the gear icon. This opens the main settings menu where all your lists and preferences live. In that menu, find the section called All Lists and select Locations. This is the hub where you'll add, view, and manage all your locations. If you're setting this up for the first time, the list may be empty, and that's perfectly fine. Next, click the New button. You'll see a form where you can enter the details for your new location. Begin with the location name. Choose a clear, consistent naming convention that your whole team will recognize, such as the city, neighborhood, or store number. For example, you might use Downtown or Store 102. Consistency will make your reports much easier to read later on. If this location belongs under another location, you can check the Eyes Sublocation box. Sublocations are helpful if you want to track performance for smaller units within a larger branch, like a department or a kiosk that rolls up to a main store. When you select this option, you'll be able to choose the parent location so everything stays neatly organized. You can also add contact details if you need them. This might include a mailing address, a phone number, or other information that helps your team identify and communicate with that branch. While this is optional, it's useful for record keeping and can help avoid confusion when multiple locations share similar names. Once you've filled in the information, click Save. Your new location now appears in the Locations list and is ready to use. Going forward, when you create transactions like invoices, bills, or expenses, you'll have the option to assign this location. Doing so lets you run reports by location, compare performance, and keep your accounting organized by branch or store. That's how you create a location in QuickBooks Online. With just a few clicks, you set up a simple structure that makes your financial data clearer and your reporting more powerful. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit these steps anytime you add a new branch or need to update your list.